what's the first thing that comes to mind when you think of Amsterdam? Is it its canals, its bicycles, maybe the tulips? Well, this city has something else they're famous for, and that's its food. From the savory street eats like frikandel, those golden crispy fries with all the toppings you could ever imagine, and those tiny cute fluffy pancakes with the icing sugar and butter. Amsterdam is a foodie's paradise. I'm Jen Everest from Everest Travels, and today we'll be enjoying some delicious Amsterdam eats. We're eating everything from its fried goodness to its sweet little desserts. So come and join us as we eat around the city. And before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe for more food videos just like this one. All right, let's dig in.
We're starting off strong with something that you'll see all across Amsterdam, FEBO, a Dutch chain that basically is a mix between a fast food restaurant and a vending machine. They've got locations all over the city and they serve local favorites like croquettes, burgers, fries, and cheesy snacks. FEBO is the go-to spot for both tourists and locals, especially after a night out.
We tried the frikandel, a fried sausage packed with flavor, and the cassoufflé, which is basically deep fried cheese, but more like cream cheese and mozzarella.
Alright, frikandel time. It's quite good. It's a sausage.
Yeah. It's so good. What's it called? Souffle? Yeah. Next we got some souffle. I believe it's like a cheesy puff pastry fried situation. I think Parker will like this one. Let's try it.
Jennifer, you have to try this.
I want to try this. Parker, what do you like? Like the cheese part? Oh, be careful, be careful. See, oh yeah, the cheese is good. It is good. Our daughter was a big fan of the cassoufflé. It's mild, comforting, and honestly, I totally get why this is such a hit snack here in the Netherlands.
Next up, Fabel Friet. You can't visit Amsterdam without trying their world-famous fries. There are tons of places to get fries around the city, but Fabel Friet is the viral spot right now. They serve real Dutch fries along with frikandel and cheese soufflés, but let's be honest, the reason that you'll come here is for the fries.
And there she is. This is the Parmesan fries with truffle mayonnaise. Doesn't that look amazing? There's often a lineup here first thing in the morning, and this lineup here wasn't too bad. We came at the right time. Oh man, can't wait to dive in. And Parker got just a plain old cheddar cheese fritz. Are these good? Are they good? They look good. We found a spot to eat our Fabel fries, and we were attacked by a bunch of pigeons, weren't we? But they're not getting our fries.
No.
They're not going to get
Just
them.
the ones that we dropped.
So let's not drop any more. I know what you want. You're not going to get it. Not today.
Listen, these fries were good. They're crispy, fresh, perfectly seasoned, and with so many sauce options, it's easy to see why everyone loves this place. If you're visiting with friends and family, we recommend sharing. The portions are generous and they're so rich in flavor that it'll fill you up fast.
Now for something sweet. We stopped by Poffertjes. I'm sure I mispronounced that, but what they basically are mini pancakes.
These little guys are so crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. We had ours topped with powdered sugar and butter. Simple, sweet, and absolutely delicious.
We placed our order at Pat's, and here's what we got.
Icing sugar.
That looks good, doesn't it? It's real good. That good? That looks good.
These are seriously addicting. A must try if you have a sweet tooth. We just left Pat's and it was really, really good. Those little mini pancakes with just icing sugar and butter was so perfect and so warm and like really gooey inside too. I think I might have this more during this trip. I think I might It's my first, but not my last time having this. It's really good.
So we've had a lot of good Dutch eats so far today, and we got one last stop before we wrap up for today, and that's Dunkin'. Nah, not really. We didn't come to Amsterdam to go to Boston.
While in Amsterdam, make sure to visit one of their outdoor markets. We went to the Cuyp Market, which is full of amazing international dishes as well as Dutch and local bites. We grabbed a cheese toastie, a few more frikandels, because why not? And we also tried fresh bittenballen for the first time. Deep fried breaded beef balls served with mustard. Oh, so good.
They were so good, and these quickly became a family favorite. They're crunchy, savory, and so good with a little mustard dip. And of course, we couldn't leave without stopping by Rudi's original Stroopwafels for a fresh, warm Stroopwafel.
We have our Stroopwafel, and it looks pretty good. You want a first bite? It's a little hot. Is it good? Is it hot? Try it. Ooh. It's crispier than the ones that you just find in the store, which are very chewy. This must be what you come to Amsterdam for. Authentic Stroopwafels. Freshly made. Where are the...
Oh, it is crispier, yeah. I was so impressed. It's nothing like the packaged ones you get at home. When made fresh, it's warm, crispy, and smells and tastes incredible.
Now, if you're looking for a place to sit down and eat in Amsterdam, we would highly recommend Moeders Restaurant. This is where you can find a traditional Dutch meal. This cozy restaurant is decorated with photos of mothers. Many of the mothers of the people that are working there, mismatched plates and glasses, and it has such a homey, welcoming vibe.
It was really homey. While we were there, we had mashed potatoes with sausage, meatballs, and bacon. It was so hearty and comforting. We loved how they mixed the vegetables right into the mashed potatoes. Now, it is a small restaurant with limited seating, so if you plan on visiting, make sure to book a reservation a few days in advance. But trust me, it's totally worth it.
And it's quite affordable. It's a nice hearty meal that won't break the bank.
And that's a look at all the food we enjoyed and loved here in Amsterdam. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. All right, see you next time.
Thanks so much for watching our Amsterdam Eats video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comment what your favorite Dutch food is.